Imagine you are operating a boiler efficiently, but suddenly coal consumption increases, stack emission rise, and boiler efficiency drops. What went wrong? The surprising answer is that even if you have a good fuel and enough air, combustion can still fail if you don't control these three critical factors. These are known as three T's of combustion. What are those? Those are temperature, time, and turbulence. In today's video, we'll understand how these three factors determine whether your boiler runs efficiently or wastes fuel and money. Stay with me till the end because I'll also show a simple formula every boiler operator should remember. Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Power Plant Practical Knowledge. If you are interested in learning real power plant concepts and improving your technical knowledge, consider subscribing to this channel. Now, let's understand the most important combustion concept every boiler operator should know, the three T's of combustion. Before we discuss boiler efficiency, we need to understand one basic fact. Good combustion does not depend only on fuel and air. For complete combustion, three conditions must be satisfied simultaneously: temperature, time, and turbulence. Let's start with the first T, temperature. Temperature is the main ignition factor which ensures fuel ignites quickly, maintains stable flame, and promotes complete combustion, which you can see on the left side of the slide. On the other hand, if the temperature is low, you can observe the furnace filled with black smoke, high smoke formation. This leads to unburnt carbon loss and lower boiler efficiency, which you can see on the right side of this slide. Having sufficient temperature alone is not enough. Fuel also needs enough time inside the furnace to burn completely. Fuel must stay long enough. Why sufficient time is important? Because it allows complete combustion. With complete combustion, it reduces carbon in fly ash. If carbon in fly ash is reduced, which improves boiler efficiency. On the other hand, what happens if the time is insufficient? This leads to unburnt fuel particles in the flue gas, which leads to increased fly ash losses, which increases fuel consumption and boiler operating cost. Even with proper temperature and sufficient time, combustion can still be poor if fuel and air is not mixed properly. This brings us to the third T, nothing but turbulence. What is meant by turbulence? Turbulence means proper air fuel mixing, which improves better oxygen distribution, faster combustion, stable flame, and reduce CO formation. How this turbulence is created? This turbulence is created by Bernal swirl vanes, or by primary or secondary air, or overfire air, or by burner design. This turbulence is created, nothing but proper air fuel mixing. So what happens if any one of these three T's is missing? Let's see practical impact inside a boiler. If any one of these T, for example, first T, temperature. If temperature is missing, means poor ignition. Another T is time. If low time, means incomplete burning. Another T, nothing but low turbulence, means poor air fuel mixing. This, any one of these T's, if misses in the furnace or boiler, it will impact high coal consumption or high emissions, reduced efficiency, and increased operating cost. Now, let's connect these concepts with an actual real boiler operation example. So, for boiler, good combustion along with fuel and air, good furnace conditions are required. Good furnace conditions means suitable temperature, time, and turbulence, which improves boiler efficiency. Nothing but complete combustion leads to high efficiency of the boiler and reduces emissions. Finally, Let's summarize the entire concept into one simple formula that every boiler operator should remember. Remember this formula: temperature, time, and turbulence is equal to complete combustion. Better boiler efficiency means which lowers fuel consumption. It also reduces emission, safe, reliable, and economical operation. Every boiler operator must control these three T's for efficient, safe, and economical boiler operation. Remember, efficient combustion is not just about fuel and air. It depends on maintaining the right temperature, sufficient time, and proper turbulence. Control these three factors, and you can achieve higher boiler efficiency, lower fuel consumption, reduced emission, and safe operation. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more thermal power plant and boiler operation content. Thank you for watching.